Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming units and opening the part with the hole location visible. Use Hole Wizard for standard sizes or Sketch and Cut Extrude for custom holes, size to the minor diameter of your thread. Once done, set the nominal depth and add a small chamfer or counterbore so the thread has run out. Make sure to name the feature clearly. This reduces confusion when adding cosmetic versus cut threads later. You now apply the thread feature. Activate Thread in the Features tab and pick the hole edge or cylinder. Choose Internal, select the standard ISO or ANSI, then enter size, pitch, and thread class. Specify the thread length and any start offset. Preview the helix to confirm orientation and direction. Once the parameters look correct, decide whether you need a modeled physical geometry or cosmetic annotation-only thread. This choice affects file size and CAM downstream. You finish by rebuilding the model and inspecting a cross-section to verify minor and major diameters and the thread profile. If the thread interferes with mating parts or fails to model, shorten the thread length or shift the start position. Alternatively, switch to a cosmetic thread for documentation only. Make sure drawing notes call out thread spec and depth. Finally, export a step or 3MF for CAM if a modeled thread is not required in the target manufacturing workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.